Ever wondered why, when you jump, you always land back on the ground? Why don't you just float away into the sky? The answer lies in a fundamental force of nature, a force that rules our daily lives, yet remains largely invisible: gravity. Gravity, in the simplest of terms, is a force of attraction. It's like a giant cosmic magnet, pulling everything towards everything else. Whether it's the Earth pulling you down to the ground, or the Sun holding the Earth in its orbit, gravity is the invisible string that ties the universe together. The theory of gravity was first formulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century. According to Newton, every object in the universe, no matter how big or small, exerts a force of attraction on every other object. This force, Newton said, depends on two things: the mass of the objects and the distance between them. The bigger the objects, the stronger the force, and the closer they are, the stronger the force. But that's not the end of the story. In the early 20th century, a man named Albert Einstein came along with a radical new idea. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is not just a force, but a warping of space and time around massive objects. Imagine a rubber sheet stretched tight. If you place a heavy ball on the sheet, it will sag under the weight. Now, if you roll a smaller ball towards the heavy one, it will fall into the sag, drawn towards the heavier ball. That's how gravity works, according to Einstein. So to summarize, gravity is a force of attraction that acts between all objects in the universe. It's what keeps us firmly grounded on Earth, what keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun, and what shapes the very structure of the universe itself. It's a force that was first described by Newton and then reimagined by Einstein. It's a force that's always at work, even if we can't see it. Remember the question we started with? Why don't you float away when you jump? The answer is gravity. It's the Earth's gravity that pulls you back down, and it's the Sun's gravity that keeps the Earth from floating away into space. Gravity is the invisible force that shapes our lives, our planet, and our universe. So next time you jump, take a moment to think about the incredible force that pulls you back to the ground. Think about the cosmic dance of attraction that is happening all around you, all the time. And remember, gravity is not just a theory, it's a fundamental part of our reality.